Lightspeed Sierra headset review. Real proof this active noise reduction crushes cockpit noise for good. Hey, tell me if this sounds familiar. You shut down after a 3-hour flight and your head is absolutely pounding, ears ringing, totally wiped out. And it is not from the flying. It is from the constant cockpit noise. You love being in the air, but that relentless roar is stealing the joy. Ever landed feeling like that? Drop guilty in the comments right now. That overwhelming drone sits heavy on your brain for hours, forces you to crank the volume, miss half the instructions, and finish every leg mentally fried. You start dreading long flights instead of looking forward to them. But here's the thing, it does not have to be that way. There's a calmer, clearer, more controlled way to fly. Then I slipped on the Lightspeed Sierra, flipped the switch, and the cockpit just went quiet, like someone hit mute on the world. This is not some entry-level active noise reduction. It is premium hybrid active noise reduction with 4 microphones per ear, eliminating low-frequency rumble completely. You get full Bluetooth version 5.0 streaming, phone calls, ForeFlight alerts, whatever you need. And the genius ComPriority feature instantly ducks your music the second air traffic control or intercom communicates, so you never miss a call. At only 14.5 ounces with those plush protein leather ear seals and self-adjusting headband, you forget it is even on your head. The electret microphone makes you sound like you were in a studio booth, not a single-engine Cessna 172. I was on a busy instrument flight rules trip, traffic everywhere, and for the first time ever, I heard every word without straining. Pure relief washed over me. Clarity like that feels almost unfair. Suddenly, you have hours of mental energy back. You stay sharper longer, fly smoother, land fresher, and actually enjoy the flight instead of merely surviving it. Aviation Consumer says the noise cancellation rivals headsets costing significantly more. A full-time certified flight instructor with over 500 hours in the Sierra told me he finishes his day with way less fatigue and 0 student complaints about fit. Independent laboratory tests confirmed it exceeds every specification Lightspeed claims. One weekend warrior said jumping from his old passive headset to the Sierra was a revelation. The cabin is peaceful. Best money I have spent since my global positioning system. I have flown 4-plus-hour legs and stepped out without the usual headset headache. It is actually ridiculous. Worried about switching or learning Bluetooth? It took me literally 30 seconds to pair, and the controls are so simple you will laugh. That is why thousands of pilots cannot stop talking about the Sierra online. Which part has you most curious? The silence, the comfort, or the Bluetooth that just works? Tell me below. Imagine finishing every flight with energy left, ears happy, and actually looking forward to the next leg, because flying feels good again. That is what the Lightspeed Sierra delivers. Real quiet, real comfort, real clarity, and 0 fatigue. Join the instructors, owners, and weekend warriors already flying calmer and sharper every time they strap it on. Ready for that kind of upgrade? Grab the Lightspeed Sierra through my link in the description or pinned comment. Your future self and your ears will thank you. See you in the air.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.